Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today, my staff meal, I want to eat Tsukemen. It's kind of like ramen, but have to need dipping sauce. So Tsukemen is very popular now in Japan. So I wanna try to make a little spicy one. Hot Tsukemen sauce. So basic fish stock have to need a kombu, and this is a sababushi, kind of like a katsuobushi, but made from a mackerel. So I'm already using this one. So making base fish stock with added tobanjan, made from China. It's a hot chili pepper. It's some soybeans and mixed up. It's a spicy base. And this is rayu. It's a spicy oil. So I'm gonna use hot chili pepper and ginger and one of garlic. And this is a long leek. And mitsuba, just make a decoration. So seasoning, I'm just think about. So have to need some sesame oil and mirin and sake, and my favorite shirodashi, white soy sauce. So dipping tsukemen. Hot spicy sauce. I'm gonna make fish base stock. It's dipped in the kombu, about 600 cc water right now. I'm just waiting for the boil. Okay, making dashi with the sababushi. Like this. Takes about 3 minutes making the fish base stock. Okay, making the dashi, fish base stock. See this color? It's making dashi. This is very important for making Japanese food. Okay. Try to make tsukemen dipping spicy hot sauce with dashi. And high flame. So garlic half cut and one of the ginger slice. And hot chili pepper dipped in. This is a tobanjan in this one. Dipped in. This is shirodashi. Shirodashi, 26. And mirin. This is the mirin, 26. Sake. This is the sake, 10cc. This is the sesame seed oil. Sesame seed, 10cc. Six again. So like this color. Okay. Try to just right now. Good flavor. しいたけハイフレームなしいたけ and thin sliced pork 豚バラ It's this one from good flavor more rich flavor comes I wanna make sure hot dipping tsukemen soup. This color. Good flavor. So I need more hot, spicy. Just add tobanja a little bit. This part is kind of like adjust taste. And more rayu. Spicy oil. A little bit. Flavor rayu. Okay, almost done. Try to taste a little bit. Almost last part. Okay, so good. Okay, boil tsukemen. Okay. Putting down. Wash. Okay. Like this. Dipping sauce, high flame again. Last part, it's a long leek, cut like this one. Dip in. And mitsuba. Like this. Just heating up a little bit. Don't boil too much. Okay, let's start to eat. This is my staff meal. It's a Pirikara Tsukemen. Tsukemen means dipping sauce served with ramen. So this is noodle. Cold one. Tsukemen. I'm just put on my homemade Gokubuto memma. It's memma. Bamboo shoots, seasoned bamboo shoots, and chashu, roasted pork, and nitamago. About 7 minutes, half boiled. I'm just soak in the chashu sauce about 1 hour. Looks so yummy, right? And this one is Pirikara dipping tsukemen soup. So I'm just dipped in noodle, then eat. It's very popular, so my favorite. I'm just arranged today. いただきます。So it looks spicy. And noodle like this. And dipping spicy sauce like that. See? いただきます。 Good flavor. Tobanjang. Spicy sauce. I love it. So I recommend this kind of tsukemen dipping spicy sauce, spicy soup. You better try it. It makes so easy. So if you got my technique, very tasty. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.